We kick off the week with a car and bike exclusive story. Production of the Norton Atlas 650 motorcycle has been indefinitely postponed. Norton had invited expressions of interest from the prospective customers for the Atlas range of scramblers late last year, but the bike maker says that precision and craftsmanship simply cannot be rushed. The Norton Atlas 650 was to be introduced in two models, the Atlas Nomad and the Atlas Ranger. Both bikes share a common engine and chassis with different trim and equipment. The bikes draw power from the 650cc parallel twin engine with a 270-degree firing interval that belts out 84 brake horsepower and 64 Nm of peak torque. Norton Motorcycles, which is owned by TVS Motor Company, is yet to decide on a production timeline for the Atlas 650. Suzuki Motorcycles plans to ramp up production at its India plant in Manesar, Haryana to 10 lakh units per annum have been delayed according to a recent report. The ongoing COVID-19 pandemic is to blame for the delay. The expansion plans have been deferred by up to a year and a half for the production of two-wheelers. According to the original plan, Suzuki had reached an annual production capacity of 7 lakh units in 2017 and aimed to cross the 1 million mark in 2021. However, the pandemic has delayed investments in India, even though the company is bullish about its plans for the domestic market. Despite the delay, Suzuki Motorcycle India is optimistic of ending this financial year on a high. Honda Cars India has announced benefits of up to 27,298 rupees on select models for the month of May 2021. These offers apply to the Amaze, WRV and Jazz models. However, there are no offers on the new generation Honda City sedan. The Honda Jazz gets a total discount of up to 21,908 rupees that includes a cash discount of up to 10,000 rupees and an exchange bonus of 10,000 rupees, along with either a cash benefit or accessories worth nearly 12,000 rupees. The Japanese car maker has additional offers for select corporate buyers. With the Honda Amaze, customers can avail a discount of up to 27,298 rupees on the SMT petrol variant. This includes a cash discount of up to 10,000 rupees and an exchange bonus worth 15,000 rupees. Instead of a cash discount, customers can also opt for accessories worth 12,000 rupees. Lastly, the Honda WRV is also available with total benefits of up to 22,158 rupees. This includes a cash discount of up to 10,000 rupees or accessories worth 12,000 rupees. There's also a car exchange bonus of 10,000 rupees. Existing Honda customers can avail their loyalty bonus worth 5,000 rupees on select models. All offers are valid till 31st of May 2021 and vary depending on the variant and dealership. Please speak to your Honda dealer for the best deals.
Hey folks, I hope you liked this video. Please leave a comment and tell us just how much you liked it. If you didn't like it, well, also leave us a comment so we know exactly what we should be improving. Your feedback is like gold for us.